So biodiesel is basically a crude form of diesel which can be obtained by different biological processes, and this can be further purified and can be further fractionated to obtain different fractions of fuel. So it is mostly derived from vegetable oil, and the process that is chiefly utilized is called trans-esterification. This biodiesel can be used directly as a fuel in unmodified form as well, but it can also be processed to much finer products. It has so many additional bonuses and additional advantages as compared to other forms of fuels. So it can be used as a single pure fuel or as a part of a mixture. इसको अलग से भी यूज़ किया जा सकता है as a pure biodiesel form, or it can be mixed with some other types of fuels and can be used as a mixture as well. There are so many different types of engines which can easily use the different types of biodiesel. Now, why biodiesel? First of all, obviously, it is being generated by biological processes, and it is much more the generation of biodiesel is much more eco-friendly. Secondly, we are not using up fossil fuels. We are using up the biodiesel, which is being obtained from much younger carbon as compared to the older carbon, which is stored in the fossil form. So it is much more environment friendly. Moreover, there are evidences that if we use biodiesel, the emissions of this biodiesel are much more less harmful as compared to the emissions from other fuel sources. You can see here that the particulate emission levels are much low as compared to other fuels. Now, biodiesel exhaust is generally less harmful to human beings, and the health of the human beings is much less affected by the exhaust of the biodiesel. हमने पिछले पॉइंट पे यही बात की कि जो बर्निंग से जो emissions होती हैं, जो बायोडीज़ल की बर्निंग से होती हैं, उनमें पर्टिकुलेट मैटर कम है और उनमें कम टॉक्सिक चीज़ें हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू द टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस प्रेजेंट इन द emission from the burning of other fuels. Now, the biodiesel contains much more level of other toxic substances as well. For example, इसमें polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons और nitrated polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons की concentration बहुत कम होती है. So these compounds again are harmful to life. These are present much more concentration in other fuels as compared to biodiesel. So again, you can see here, biodiesel, not only its generation is eco-friendly, but its usage is much more eco-friendly as well. But again, we are talking comparatively as compared to other types of fuels. This was about biodiesel. I will see you in next lessons.